Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for natural ways to achieve glowing skin, shiny hair, and strong nails, you're in the right place. Today, we will be sharing the best natural remedies that can completely transform your beauty routine. Let's start with your skin, the largest organ in your body and your first line of defense. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water and include hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. Natural exfoliation. Use a mix of honey and ground oats to gently remove dead skin cells. DIY mask for glowing skin. Combine yogurt, turmeric, and a few drops of lemon juice for a brightening effect. Include foods rich in vitamin E and C like almonds and citrus fruits for that natural glow. Now, let's talk about hair. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Coconut oil massage. This age-old remedy nourishes your scalp and prevents dryness. DIY hair mask. Blend avocado and egg and olive oil for a deep conditioning treatment. Foods like eggs, salmon, and spinach provide biotin and omega-3s, essential for hair growth and strength. Finally, let's focus on your nails. Olive oil soak. Soak your nails in warm olive oil for 10 minutes to strengthen and moisturize them. Biotin-rich foods incorporate nuts, seeds, and sweet potatoes into your diet for stronger nails. Always keep your nails hydrated with a natural cuticle oil from jojoba or argan oil. Protect your skin, hair, and nails by reducing stress and getting enough sleep. Avoid harsh chemicals in products. Always go for natural and organic alternatives when possible. Let's dive deeper into the foods you can include in your diet to keep your skin, hair, and nails healthy. Beauty truly starts from the inside out, and what you eat plays a massive role in how you look and feel. 1. Foods for healthy, glowing skin. Avocados. Rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, they keep your skin hydrated and reduce inflammation. Tomatoes. Packed with lycopene, they protect your skin from sun damage and keep it smooth. Leafy greens. Kale, spinach, and Swiss chard are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, promoting collagen production. Fatty fish. Salmon and mackerel provide omega-3 fatty acids that keep your skin moisturized and reduce redness. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals and prevent aging. 2. Foods for strong, shiny hair. Eggs. A powerhouse of biotin, protein, and zinc essential for strong hair and faster growth. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are rich in vitamin E and omega-3s, keeping your scalp healthy. Sweet potatoes. High in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, promoting hair growth and preventing dullness. Greek yogurt. Full of protein and vitamin B5, which strengthens hair strands and prevents hair thinning. Number 3. Foods for strong nails. Pumpkin seeds. Rich in zinc, they prevent brittle nails and improve nail growth. Beans and lentils. High in protein and biotin, which are essential for nail structure. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits help with collagen production for stronger nails. Quinoa, a complete protein providing the essential amino acids needed for nail repair and growth. 4. Foods that boost overall health and beauty. Turmeric. Its anti-inflammatory properties promote radiant skin and prevent breakouts. Green tea, loaded with antioxidants that flush out toxins and improve your skin's elasticity. Bone broth, high in collagen and amino acids, it supports healthy skin, hair, nails, and joints. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that improve skin hydration and texture. In moderation. Don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration keeps your skin plump, your hair shiny, and your nails strong. Add hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and celery to your diet. Incorporate healthy fats like olive oil, flax seeds, and fatty fish to keep your skin and hair moisturized from within. By adding these nutrient-packed foods to your diet, you'll not only feel healthier but also notice significant improvements in your skin, hair, and nails. Beauty is truly a reflection of good health. So nourish your body and it will show. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, beauty starts from within and how you love and respect yourself and others. Nourishing your body is key to achieving that natural glow. Let us know in the comments which remedies you're excited to try or share your own natural beauty secrets. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips on living and a healthy, natural lifestyle. See you next time, inshallah.